Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Uniswap. So it is a very simple and easy thing to do. First, you need to launch your Coinbase Wallet and then you just have to log into it if you haven't already. After that, in the bottom, you will be able to see various types of tabs, but among these, you need to tap on this globe or the browser tab. Now here you will notice that we have Uniswap in this list, in the top dApps list. So you just have to simply tap on Uniswap and wait for some time until you are redirected on app.uniswap.org. Now once you are on this page, you will be able to see the connect button in the top. So you need to tap on connect first. After that, select your Coinbase wallet and then tap on the connect button again. Now once it is connected successfully, you can either swap, limit, send or even buy cryptos using Uniswap and your Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.